Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by ensuring the device is secure and ready. Set a PIN or biometrics and update the OS. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Display, then Lock Screen. This is where Lock Screen Time options live. Make sure you have permission to change screen and notification settings. If you don't, grant it now. This first step sets the foundation, so subsequent steps apply correctly and persist across reboots. Don't skip confirming your security method. Next, adjust the actual timeout and display behavior. You'll pick an auto-lock value, for example 30s or 1M, depending on battery versus convenience. Then, enable or disable always-on, dim, or scheduled lock screen modes. These affect how long the screen appears active. Make sure to customize which notifications and widgets are visible while locked, because those settings determine whether you need a longer visible interval. Once set, test by waiting the chosen time. Finish by saving changes and rebooting to ensure the new lock screen time sticks. You should lock the device and observe the timeout, plus test with Wi-Fi and cellular toggled to detect any app-driven overrides. If the screen still times out too soon, make sure no power-saving mode forces a shorter auto-lock. If needed, clear the system settings cache or reset lock screen preferences. If problems persist, revert to defaults and redo. Step slowly to isolate the misconfigured option.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.